Uh, How to add Param on MetaMask application. Are guys facing issues to add Param on MetaMask application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open MetaMask on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now tap on the plus icon. Click on search bar and search for Param. In order to add Param, just click this box and hit the next button. You can see the option for import. Click on it. As soon as you click on import, Param will be added on MetaMask application. And that's it guys. That's how you're gonna add Param on MetaMask application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding Param, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.